Time we still have to talk about some of the storm's destruction. Southern Maryland saw close to 3 inches of snow in some parts, but 2 people died after a tree fell on their car. News 4's Mark Segraves has more from Calvert County.
The snow started falling about noon on Sunday here in Calvert County, Maryland, along with heavy winds. Just before 5 p.m., Calvert County Sheriff's Department reports a tree fell, striking a car on Route 2, killing 2 of the occupants and leaving a third in critical condition. By 7 o'clock Sunday evening, more than an inch was piling up on the grassy areas, and the roadways were getting slushy as crews began treating main roads. This morning, Calvert County residents woke up to mostly scenic, snow-covered landscapes, with the vast majority of roads having been cleared. Along the western shore of the Chesapeake Bay, Mark Segraves, News 4.